Accoya is the world's leading high-technology wood. Created from sustainably sourced softwood, Accoya matches or exceeds the durability and beauty of the very best tropical hardwoods. The Accoya process takes sustainably sourced, fast-growing softwoods and in a non-toxic process that enables nature, a new durable, stable and beautiful product with the very best environmental credentials is created. The technology behind Accoya wood is based on acetylation. Wood contains an abundance of chemicals called free hydroxyls. Free hydroxyl groups absorb and release water according to changes in the climatic conditions to which the wood is exposed. This is the main reason why wood swells and shrinks. It is also believed that the digestion of wood by enzymes initiates at the free hydroxyl sites, which is one of the principal reasons why wood is prone to decay. Acetylation effectively changes the free hydroxyls within the wood into acetyl groups. This is done by reacting the wood with acetic anhydride, which comes from acetic acid, known as vinegar when it's in dilute form. When the free hydroxyl group is transformed to the acetyl group, the ability of the wood to absorb water is greatly reduced, rendering the wood more dimensionally stable and, because it's no longer digestible, extremely durable. We visited the Accoya factory in the Netherlands to look at how this process works. The softwood arrives from sustainably managed forests around the world and is unpacked and loaded onto the timber stacking machine. As this is a wood processing plant involving high technological processes such as acetylation, this machine has to stack the timber in a very specific way. This ensures that the acetylation process reaches every piece of timber in the reactor. As the timber passes through the stacking machine, it has various measurements taken along the way. One key measurement is the timber's moisture content. The timber is then stacked on top of each other in a way that guarantees the necessary spaces between the material. The stacked timber is then ready for the kiln drying process. Although the timber is already considered dry, it is crucial that the moisture content is dropped below what's considered normal to aid the acetylation process. The stacked timber is then moved into the acetylation reactor, where the process of turning it into a hard wood takes place. A new world of sustainable and low-maintenance products including windows, doors, decking, flooring and cladding are available using Accoya wood. Accoya is helping to protect the world's precious hardwood resources and is guaranteed for 50 years in any exterior use and 25 years when used in the ground. This long life also provides an added benefit of Accoya, helping to reduce carbon emissions. Once the timber comes out of the reactor, it is now marked Accoya wood and ready for distribution around the globe. Today, the environmental impact of large companies and their products is closely monitored. Recently, Camco executed an environmental assessment for Accoya wood. The assessment found that using Accoya in the application of window manufacturing was considerably less damaging to the environment. Accoya showed dramatic reductions in carbon output compared to manufacturing windows using unsustainable tropical hardwoods, aluminium and PVC. All the timber used in the production of Accoya is FSC and PEFC certified. The factory in the Netherlands remains one of the most environmentally friendly production plants, with a high percentage of its energy consumption coming from renewable sources. The Accoya wood manufacturing plant in Arnhem has recently been awarded a gold cradle-to-cradle certificate. This certification assesses the entire Accoya process for its environmental impact. Titan Wood, the manufacturer of Accoya, remains the only company in Western Europe to have achieved the gold standard. Accoya also requires limited or near zero maintenance during its life cycle, further reducing any carbon footprint. Accoya is the world-leading solution with properties that match those of the best tropical hardwood. Accoya is manufactured using a non-toxic treatment and uses fast-growing timber from sustainable sources. In fact, it may seem too good to be true, but Accoya is proven and available today.